Nature's elements, sun, rain, wind, ice, and snow all affect our lives at some point. The sun warms the earth, rain fills our lakes and greens our grass. Ice and snow, well, in the north, they are part of our lives as well. Before touching the ground, they impact our buildings. Hundreds of millions of square feet of roofs across our great land protect our businesses from the elements. You don't think about your roof that much. We do. Your roof protects you and your company so you can move forward, grow, and inspire others to do the same. That's why rain or shine, snowstorm or heat wave, you are there, doing what it takes. We will take care of the roof. You lead, create, manufacture, and build. We will do what it takes to protect your hard work and dedication. Superior Services is a nationally recognized commercial roofing contractor that provides its clients with a level of roofing expertise and experience that far exceeds all others in the industry. Since 1975, our mission has been to provide the best commercial and industrial roofing solutions to protect that which is valuable to you. To this day, we remain Michigan's leading professional roofing contractor. With over 50 million square feet of roofing installed, we are confident that our roofs, your roof, will be built with the same dedication and quality you expect from your own company. Our goal is not only to provide you with the best product, but the best roofing experience you will ever have. From the moment you call us to the moment we pull our ladders away, our team of craftsmen do whatever it takes to make your time with us perfect. Our roofs are built to last and will be there through every triumph that your company achieves. Superior Services, RSH, protecting what's inside.